Aloha and Merry Christmas! Today I'm going to show you how to assemble the Elfazon Prime packages. They are a printable template. The link to print these is a PDF template and it is in the description on this page. You just print them out, cut them out, and I'm going to show you how to set them up. These are the ones that come with it. It also comes with several different mini elf signs that you can leave out with your elf this holiday season. Right now I'm going to show you how to assemble the basic box. You can use glue, tape, or a hot glue gun. The hot glue gun works quickest and easiest in my opinion, and that's what I prefer to use, but I'm going to show you with a glue stick. After you have your templates cut out, you're going to get your box, and you see the lines that are all over the boxes. We're going to create some folds at each of these lines just to create creases. Now you want to fold the four sides of your boxes together. Place a little bit of glue on the tab on the one side of the box. Make sure that tab is on the inside of the box and go ahead and glue it in place. For both the top and the bottom of the box, you're going to push in the side flaps that are longer, and then you're going to push the other two over top of those and glue or tape those into place. Next, you're going to get your shipping tape, place some glue all across the back of it, and wrap it around the center of your box. You can rip it or cut the end to fit your box, and then add a little bit of glue or tape to the end to secure it nicely. And then all you have left to do is to glue or tape the shipping label onto the top of the box. You can use the one that I have here that I already have addressed to Elf. I've also included some blank ones so that you can write any name you want to on there. And all of these assemble in the same way. So I have various different boxes, different sizes and shapes, different colors. I also have the little shipping bags as well. And they assemble quite similarly, but much easier than these. And it's a really fast and really fun little printable prop you can use for the elf season. Again, the link to that is below in the description box. Part of this template is used in my elf kit that I custom design each year. The link to this is below in the description box if you want that, or if you just want the printable itself so that you can assemble this scene and use it instantly. The link is also there for that. I have a ton of different elf printables, Christmas printables, and all kinds of scenes and props that make this elf season easy. Just visit AlohaYallCustoms.etsy.com.